Are you looking for the best essential gadgets in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 7 best essential gadgets. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 7th product on our list is the DeWalt FlexDrive cordless screwdriver. A manual screwdriver is fine if you just need to tighten a couple of screws. But for more involved projects like furniture assembly, your hands are likely to tire from repeated twisting and turning. A cordless screwdriver is a welcome solution to that problem, with one effective option being the DeWalt FlexDrive cordless screwdriver, $91.98 on Amazon, which can easily do most of your assembly work for you. DeWalt gadgets are known to be reliable, and that holds true for this device. Given its average score of 4.4 stars following nearly 9,900 reviews from Amazon customers. Considering its compact size, buyers were surprised by this tool's power. With a no-load speed of up to 360 RPM, the screwdriver has 6 individual torque settings capping at 44 inch-pounds of torque. DeWalt recommends using the first 2 modes for delicate jobs, and Pro Tool Reviews specifically mentions switch plates and cabinet hardware as suitable use cases for lower torque applications. For fasteners requiring greater force, you can apply up to 124 inch-pounds of torque when you use the tool manually. This motorized cordless screwdriver comes with a dozen 2-inch bits that are easily inserted into the gadget. With that many bits, you're likely to be set for any screw head you encounter. The device is also conveniently chargeable via USB-C. And it even features built-in LEDs to illuminate whatever you're working on. Up next in the 6th place is the Bosch PS3128 Cordless Drill/Driver Kit. Cordless drills offer unmatched freedom of movement compared to their wired counterparts, but portability is just one of many benefits in the case of the Bosch PS3128 Cordless Drill/Driver. This tool is available on Amazon for $148 as part of a kit that includes a charger with 2 batteries. According to many Amazon customers, over 2,900 of whom have cumulatively given this drill a notably high average rating of 4.7 stars. The device's modest size makes it easy to use in tight spaces. GearLab also described the gadget as the best value 12-volt drill around. It's not quite as powerful as high-end cordless drills are, but it delivers excellent drilling and driving performance for the price. If you're likely to do most of your drilling for DIY projects or simple home improvement jobs, this tool should be more than enough to suit your needs. Since this Bosch cordless drill only weighs 1.8 pounds, your hands aren't likely to get tired even during projects that take a while to finish. With maximum torque of 265 inch-pounds and 2 speed settings of 0 to 350 RPM and 0 to 1,300 RPM, you'll probably get things done quickly using this gadget. Coming in at number 5 is the Makita XRW01Z18VL-XT Cordless Ratchet. Like other cordless power tools, cordless ratchets make handyman projects easier and more convenient. They're ideal for dealing with several nuts and bolts at a time, since installing or removing many of them in succession can be tough on the hands. The Makita XRW01Z18VL-XT Cordless Ratchet, which has an overall rating of 4.5 stars following more than 1,400 reviews, is available on Amazon for $169.99. That's just for the tool though. You'd have to purchase the required 18V lithium-ion 2.0 Ah batteries separately, but you can buy 2 of them on Amazon for $129.70. According to Pro Tool Reviews, the gadget will help you save a lot of time. It operates faster than other ratchets at similar price points. This cordless ratchet offers variable speed up to 800 RPM, along with 35 foot-pounds of torque. That might not be enough to remove tightly screwed nuts, so some Amazon shoppers recommend starting by using the gadget as a manual ratchet to loosen nuts, then using its motorized driver to complete the job quickly. With this slim cordless ratchet weighing only 2 pounds, you can comfortably squeeze it into cramped areas. With interchangeable 3/8-inch and 1/4-inch anvils, it can handle a wide range of nuts and bolts. At number 4 we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Sawzall Cordless Reciprocating Saw. A reciprocating saw uses a motor to provide more force than the back and forth cutting motion of a manual hand saw does. And if you've ever heard anyone refer to a reciprocating saw as a Sawzall, they're just talking about Milwaukee's brand name for that same power tool. Milwaukee first released the Sawzall as a corded tool in the early 1950s, and even now, with an exceptionally high average rating of 4.8 stars on Amazon following nearly 1,300 reviews, the contemporary Milwaukee M18 Fuel Sawzall cordless reciprocating saw is an excellent buy, especially if you're replacing a hand saw. The gadget is equipped with an 18V brushless motor, which delivers power using permanent magnets instead of carbon brushes to rotate the motor's components. This makes for smoother, more reliable motor performance. The tool's blade clamp also makes it quick and easy to change blades, according to Milwaukee. The Sawzall also features built-in LEDs if you need extra light on the material you're cutting. The tool is strong enough to cut tree branches and plywood, according to Amazon shoppers, as well as 6-inch deck boards and 4x4 posts, according to a review by You Can Make This Too. This Milwaukee Sawzall is available from Amazon for $246.99 for the standalone tool, although you may find it on sale for far less than that. If you don't already own batteries that are compatible with the Sawzall, you can buy a 2-pack of Milwaukee M18 batteries on Amazon for $124.99. The third product on our list is the Gerber Suspension NXT Multi-Tool. Some jobs don't require you to break out the power tools. For relatively small tasks, a multi-tool might be enough. The Gerber Suspension NXT Multi-Tool may have been designed with campers and survivalists in mind, but it's easily a useful gadget in a handyman's arsenal. With an average Amazon rating of 4.6 stars after nearly 23,600 reviews, Amazon customers are generally very happy with this Gerber multi-tool. The Gerber Suspension NXT, available for $39.74 on Amazon, is a 15-in-1 multi-tool that includes needle nose pliers, standard pliers, wire cutters, wire strippers, scissors, 3 sizes of flathead drivers, a ruler, a nail file, an awl, a bottle opener, a can opener, a partially serrated blade, and a cross driver. That all fits in a slim gadget that measures 6.25 inches long when opened and a mere 4.25 inches long when closed. Several Amazon customers, as well as Clever Hiker, have commented on this multi-tool's usefulness in daily repairs. With this gadget on hand, there's no need to grab your toolbox from storage if you just need to do a simple wiring job or tighten a loose screw. Hundreds of Amazon shoppers also appreciated the locking mechanism that secures the multi-tool's parts in place. Additionally, Clever Hiker noted that accessing individual tools is easy using the multi-tool's one-handed deployment system. Second on our list is the Black Diamond Spot 400 headlamp. Wearing a headlamp is incredibly useful for illuminating exactly what you're looking at, especially in dimly lit spaces. With a maximum output of up to 400 lumens, the Black Diamond Spot 400 headlamp, another gadget designed for the outdoors, can fulfill this duty well. Sure, it's great for nighttime hiking and camping, but several Amazon customers report using this tool for work or home-related tasks, such as checking a breaker box during a power outage. The device is waterproof with an IPX8 rating, which means you can wear it to fix something outside even while it's raining. You could even wear it a few feet underwater for up to 30 minutes at a time. This headlamp weighs a slight 86 grams, so it should stay comfortable on your head for extended periods of use. You can adjust its brightness and activate its red night vision setting using a single button. You'll easily be able to cycle through those modes even if you have thick work gloves on. According to the New York Times Wirecutter, this Black Diamond headlamp costs $59.95 on Amazon, where it has an average score of 4.5 stars after almost 1,100 reviews. It even comes with 3 AA batteries, so if you order one, you won't have to rummage through a messy battery drawer at home to power it on once it arrives. Dozens of Amazon shoppers specifically mention the headlamp's long battery life, so replacing the original batteries shouldn't be a frequent occurrence. Finally, the top product on our list is the Leica DISTO D2 laser distance measure. There are several reasons to use a laser measure over a regular tape measure. With laser measures, you can get measurements right away with the press of a button. And you can also work with ranges that exceed the limitations of a regular tape measure, among many other benefits. For those who need more utility than a tape measure can provide, the $199 Leica DISTO D2 laser distance measure is a highly rated option from Amazon that holds an average score of 4.3 stars following just under 1,700 reviews. It's easy and fast to take measurements with this laser measure, according to the Funny Carpenter's review. It has a range of 330 feet with measurement outputs that are accurate plus or minus 1/16 of an inch. And it can even calculate area and volume for you after you've taken your base measurements. You can also store measurement data in the Leica DISTO Plan app for documentation or visualization purposes. Per Amazon shoppers, the Leica laser measure works well for measuring base and crown moldings, distances at construction sites, and more. Additional documented use cases include measuring paraglider line lengths and the heights and lengths of jumps for track and field events. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.